always go for length function and count function. Length function returns the number of elements in a list. Okay, now if no elements in the list, it will return 0. Okay, length function returns total number of elements in a list. Now if no more elements in the list, it returns 0. Okay, now count function returns the number of occurrences. Okay, now let us discuss with a simple example. List length of list 1. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output is 5. Now count function tell me how many number of times, how many number of occurrences of this substring in the given list. Python, how many number of times repeated? 2 times. 100, how many number of times repeated? 2 times. Can you please respond? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, very next, like update and extend like this, there is one more function. Now, in order to remove the elements from a list, there are 4 functions are available. What are they? Now, I want everyone should understand carefully, and this is one of the most important question, please. Remove function and pop function. There are other 2 functions. Okay. They are remove and pop functions. They are used to remove the elements, and del also, del like this. Now, there is difference between them. Okay. Remove function removes the first matching element from a given list. Okay, remove elements, remove function removes the first matching element from the list. Okay, which takes a single element as arguments, removes it. If the element is not available, which returns a value error. Okay. Hello. Now, what is the pop function? Pop function removes the element from the given index and returns the removed elements. Whatever the element which were removed, the removed element will be given to us. Okay. Now, please, please. Now, pop. All, please, mute yourself. No issue. I am muting it. Please. Yeah, I'm muting it. No issue, please. Now, pop function is taking index as arguments and remove function. Look at here. Remove function is taking element as argument. Okay. If the element is available, which is going to remove it. If the element is not going to be, if the element is not available, it returns error. Okay. Whereas, what the pop function will do? Pop will do 2 operations. If I don't give any argument for pop, always which removes the last element. Pop of 2 means it will remove the second index element. Is it okay? Now look at here. Pop removes the elements at the given element. Now the default index is -1. By -1 means last element. If the index is not having elements, it is going to generate index error. Now shall I demonstrate? Hello? Let me showcase this with a beautiful example, please. Kindly remember carefully, Andy. Now, what is the difference between pop function and remove function? Look at here. Pop means if I don't pass any argument, by default it will take last element, -1 element. Pop 2 means which is going to remove the second index element. Clear? Now, what is happening after removing pop off? After removing the elements, it is returning to the user. Whereas if you remove the element, remove function, it will not give it to the user. Simply it removes it. Clear? Remove of P. Here this element is removed. Remove of Z. There is no element Z which is going to generate. If the element is not available, which is just it doesn't do anything. Okay. Now look at here. Here, if I try to remove the element which is not available, it is going to generate value error. Now, same thing if I do here, look at here, I don't have any pop of 6. Still, what the error it is giving? Index error. The same index is not available. Here, the concerned value Z, which is not available here. Okay, na? These two are error messages which are generated by pop and remove function. Please. Anyone, can you please respond what you should understand from the pop and remove functions? Can you please respond what you have understood from pop function and remove function, please? I need some outcome, Andy, please. Can you please respond? Can you please respond? What is the exact difference between pop and remove? I will tell you the similarities and comparison. Both pop and remove are used to remove elements from a list. This is similarity between them. And difference is pop always takes index as argument, but remove function will take element as argument. Okay, this is second difference. Third one is pop will remove the element, that removed element will be given to the user, whereas remove function, after remove the element, the element will not be given to us. Got it? Can you please respond? Hello?
Yes.
Now, let me go for the next one. Now, if I want to sort the elements in a given list, okay, I can sort the data by using a built-in function called sort. Sorts the elements of a list in ascending order. For example, sort also has an argument. If I give this argument reverse equal to true, that means it is going to sort the data in descending order. Okay, shall I go for this? Now, there is one more function called reverse, which reverses the elements of a given list. Now, let me demonstrate these two first. There is a little bit confusion between sort and reverse for the new people. Okay, now let me demonstrate them. Okay, please. Here, what are the elements I have? 100, 400, 150, 600. What the sort is doing? Initially, it is going to sort in ascending order. What it is giving? 100, 150, 400, 600. Is it ascending order? If I give reverse equal to true, it will be in descending order. Clear for you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Hello? Now, let me take another function here. I'm going to give a function called reverse. Reverse means it is going to reverse the order according to its content. 50, 40. Here, sort function will not take content into the consideration, whereas reverse function will take the content into consideration. Clear? You got the difference between sort and reverse? Clear? Clear is it? Okay. Hello? Can you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Now, there are some other built-in functions such as maximum function and minimum function. They will give us the maximum value and minimum value. Okay, na? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Now, yeah, please let me go to then. Beautiful question, and this is the most important interview question. What is the purpose of index function? Index function is used for searching a substring sublist in a given list. Okay. Index function returns index of the first always, which takes the first occurrence only. Okay. If the element is not available, which returns value error. Now look at here. Lists are mutable. This is my list. List 1 dot index of R. Do I have index of this R here? Yes, it is going to return as 1. Okay, na? The output of this is 1 here. Can you please respond? For example, instead of R, if I give is, do I have a substring is here? No. So it is going to generate index error. Sorry, it is value error. It is going to generate value error. Shall I go? Let me go for index function. I think I have gone somewhere this index function. Just give me 1 minute. Control F, index. Yeah, look at here, index. Look at here, please. Strings are immutable. In list of index of R. Yes, I know that R is available at first index now. Strings are immutable. Now, instead of R, I'm using is. Now, do I have is in my list? No. So it is going to generate value error. Okay. I want every student should know error messages should be generated by the code. We should be in a position to tell what kind of error message it will going to generate, depending by looking at the code. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes.
Now, finally, we are at the end of the functions. Okay. Now, I want you, instead of taking another half an hour, I will send this PPT and the program. Can you practice these functions? Once if you are good in these functions, tomorrow I will go for a beautiful applications. There are so many programs are there with lists. Okay, all these programs I have collected from so many concerned locations, from so many companies programs. Okay, tomorrow we'll see this program. Before that, I want everyone should be familiar with the functions. Okay, if you are familiar with the functions, I can write a beautiful code tomorrow. Okay. With this, shall we stop today's session?